Okay, so my project, I was gonna make a 3D printed Dala Horse Cookie Cutter, and it worked, so that was pretty cool. So my plan on everything that I was gonna learn, I was gonna learn how to draft a 3D image, which I had never done before, and you do that in Tinkercad. And then week 2, I was gonna come up with an idea of what I wanted to do, but I was glad that I knew that I wanted to make a Dala Horse cookie cutter in week 1 because it took me a while to get the correct shape of a Dala Horse. And then week 3, I was going to actually make that idea, which I had actually started doing in week 1, and then week 4, I was going to fix any problems that I had. So I stuck to my plan okay, but I just, I did things faster than I thought I was going to, which was good because in week 4 I was still working on the shape of my Dala Horse. So I'm going to show you what Tinkercad is and how I learned from it. So I had to make an account on Tinkercad, and then they had certain lessons for me to watch, and these lessons taught me what I'm going to show you now. So to put a shape in, you just drag it, and then these will make it wider or taller, just using these. And then if you want to make it proportionally wider, you would hit shift and then just drag on one of the edges, which is helpful when trying to make my Dala Horse. And for a lot of the shapes that I made, I would have to put on a full shape like this box right here, the red box, and then I'd have to put in one of these gray boxes, which are holes. And then just to make the hole, all you have to do is select them both and then go up here and group them. And then now you can see that part of that is missing. Another thing that I learned was how to change color, and then you just go and click on a different color. And one thing that I learned was using the scribble tool. It actually allows you to draw on here, which is very nice if you're wanting some sort of custom shape, which it would have been really nice for me if I was a good artist, so that I could just draw the Dala Horse right here. But I'm not that good, so it took me a little bit longer to get the shape out of my Dala Horse. And you can see that my scribble is gone right here. The results of my project were pretty good, I would say. I made some cookies. The cookie cutter, I don't think I would have, I might have not put the back of the cookie cutter on it, but that did not affect my product that much. It was just sometimes the cookie would get caught in it, but if you put on enough Pam, then it wouldn't, the Dala Horse cookies wouldn't stick to it, so it was pretty good. And I also I had to learn millimeters to inches because that was a big deal in thinking, how big do I want these cookies to be? I don't want them to be super tiny or too big. So that is what I did for my 4-week project.